So this is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, melted butter, egg, and milk. I'm going to sit down. I'm going to mix this very well until it forms a dough. Now you don't use very hot milk, or if you want to use water for this, don't use hot water. You want the water to be warm. Hot water, very hot milk will kill your yeast, so it won't work. So that's something to keep in mind if you're new to bread making. I'm now going to use my hand. The dough is very soft. I'm going to work it, make sure I mix everything together. Now if you're not sure of your yeast, that's when you proof it. You just put yeast in warm milk or warm water, put a tablespoon of sugar. If you see the bubbles coming up, then you know your yeast is good. But I'm sure of my yeast, that's why there's no need for me to prove it. Did you get me? Lightly flour your surface. Light. Okay. And knead for. Keep it on a lightly floured surface. Knead for about 10 minutes until it becomes elastic. Flour you put, it tougher the dough, so you want to be careful. So it's almost time. I think it's about 10 minutes and I'm kneaded the dough. So I'm going to put this in this bowl and cover. I put some vegetable oil so it doesn't stick too much. This, and to the top too, I'll just rub a little vegetable oil so it doesn't, just to prevent some sticking. So I'm going to cover this, keep this in a warm place for about an hour. Now the warmest place for me is my oven. I just put on the oven for about 2 to 3 minutes, turn it off, then I place this there to rest for about an hour. Don't forget the turn off part. Don't leave it on with with this there. So I'll see you in about an hour.